are a pest.
This is outrageous. I want to speak to your manager right now. Do you hear me? I am talking to you, Missy. What are you looking at? This is unacceptable. Unacceptable! When do you see the rating I'm going to give this place? Zero stars, my friend. Zero. This is outrageous. I want to speak to your manager right now. Do you hear me? I am talking to you.
Need a demonstration? You never get used to that smell.
Oh my god! I am literally being killed by a giant bug! Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel! Goodbye!
Including our rightful place as the apex predators of this planet. That's right, my brothers and sisters. It's time to rise up from the sewers. Free yourselves from the cages and traps of our human oppressors, from the cages and traps of our human oppressors, and claim our rightful place as the apex predators of this planet. Did you know insects on this planet outnumber humans 1,000,000,000 to 1? Humans don't stand a chance. Did you know insects on this planet outnumber humans 1,000,000,000 to 1? Humans don't stand a chance. Humans don't stand a chance. Did you know insects on this planet outnumber humans 1,000,000,000 to 1? Humans don't stand a chance. What have humans ever done for us except try to eradicate us from this planet? Humans, with their inflated life expectancy, greedily pests can resist. The Squooge. Exterminator with extreme prejudice. They poisoned and polluted our home for long enough. It's payback time. Now I've got the one thing no human pest can resist. The Squooge. One thing no human pest can resist. The Squooge. Exterminator with extreme prejudice. They poisoned and polluted our home for long enough. It's payback time. Now I've got the one thing no human pest can resist. The Squooge. need to kill humans dead. Just one drop, and there. Go away. Humans are a pest. Call the
They're coming.